Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to remove background of any image of your Android mobile. So how can I remove? So keep watching this video until the end. So guys, if you have Android, if you have iPhone, don't worry. So guys, open any browser like Chrome or Google and search here background remover. Here is, and now guys, open this first website. Don't open any kind of website because there is no need any sign up and creating an account. Now guys, here's the interface you can see appears on screen. Now upload the image which you want to remove the background. Upload image and select the image here, Imran Khan image. And now guys is removing the background of your image. You can see image background has been removed successfully. Now download this video. Now here's preview. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.